So you might be in this really weird situation where for some reason your Spotify is just not working inside of CarPlay. Now, believe it or not, this happens all of the time and it can be a really, really annoying thing. The very first thing you're going to want to do though is you want to make sure that within CarPlay and your Spotify application that both of them are synced up and you're working well either within CarPlay or Android Auto. So if your Spotify app is not working on your iPhone or Android, it's not going to work inside of CarPlay or Android Auto. So the first thing I'd recommend doing is making your way into your Spotify application and just seeing what happens. If you're able to go ahead and load up a particular if you're able to load up a song or whatever on your particular phone, but for some reason it's not playing, the first thing you're going to want to do there is just make sure that that application is working fine and that song is able to be played from your iPhone. Now the next thing, if it's not working from here, what you're going to want to do is make sure that your particular audio is being outputted to your particular, the place that you actually want to play these songs from. So for example, if I'm playing this song or whatever, you want to make sure that whether your Bluetooth options or whatever, all your songs are playing through your particular, Bluetooth audio that you want to go and set up. So if you're playing your songs from a different audio device, which you can find by going into your Bluetooth settings, so just go into here, go into Bluetooth, what you're going to want to do is just make sure that your particular devices and everything from here, they're not outputting from a different device. That can be the first thing I'd recommend doing. Now, if you can verify they're not being outputted from a different device and they're being played from your particular phone to your CarPlay or Android Auto, the next thing I'd recommend doing is making your way over into your App Store. So just go ahead and basically just open up your App Store like this, and then go ahead and update Spotify or your Spotify application on Android or on iPhone. That is another big thing I'd recommend doing too, and that right there can possibly end up fixing the problem as well. You can also try restarting your phone. That's another thing that can probably end up fixing it for you. You can also try, reconnecting your phone to your particular device. But a majority of the time, as long as you can verify that your Spotify, isn't down or anything like that, you can also make your way to downdetector.com and view Spotify. Usually those things will end up fixing the problem, and that's all you're really going to have to do. So that pretty much covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.